Let's start off with the mystery protectant. This came in for correction and a coating, but the owner says he never put anything on it. There's obviously something on there that is beating up and protecting the panel. So let's take care of it. Now, the bottle has anti-aging cleanser. It says chemical reaction cleaning. It's definitely there is something lost in translation. It's hard to understand. It really doesn't even matter what's on the bottle. What matters is it works, and I'm showing you here what we can do. Start with the vehicle being freshly washed. Leave it wet. Get a microfiber applicator. It's the best thing to use. You can use a wash mitt or whatever you want to use, but I love these little applicators. Dampen it, and then put some on the applicator and do a crisscross pattern. First up and down, and then left and right, and that's it. Just rinse it and wash it again. Quite simply, the results are what you see. Whatever was protecting it before, gone. Not only what you can see, but what you can feel. When completely dry, the area you can feel it's bare paint. It grabs your hands, where the protected area is still slick and your hands glide along the surface. Let's get to a panel you're familiar with. This has a whole bunch of different waxes mixed with graphene, ceramics, polymers. Let's take a trip up and down each section with this cleaner and panel remover, and we're going to pick the central part of this where we tested with heat and some of it failed anyway, so it's not like we would be removing everything from the panel, and we can't use this for future testing. So on either side of this stripe up and down, we will make a trip with the cleaner, and I'll show you how quick and effective this is on waxes, carnubas, T1 carnuba, mixed with graphene, ceramics, polymers, and a whole bunch of other stuff. By the way, if you've noticed, in direct sunlight, it's rather warm, but there's hardly any effort involved, barely breaking a sweat, up and down, then left and right, come to the other end here. Now, you can go from this step directly to the next protectant that you want to go to, whether it's a sealant, coating, or a wax. It's up to you if you want to do correction. I can tell you, unless it's a soft, dark, clear coat, this will not mar the paint, but definitely check on your own, wash the area, dry it, and check with a swirl finder if there's marks, because this feels gritty to me. I don't know what's in it. It's hard to understand what it really does and what's in it. I just know it works. But use with your own discretion. You can go directly to the protection process, or if you want to, polish the area again, then reapply. As you can see, every single one of those sections, whatever was there, gone. Let's get to the S550. This one here has Polish Angel graphene spritz topped with ammo overcoat. As you can see here, beads like crazy. I love the combination. Let's take a little section, clean it off with the Kamikaze body cleanser, and we'll do this with no editing whatsoever. After a quick wash, polished angel topped with ammo overcoat, gone. Now, to the puppymobile, and I have this to haul the shop manager around. She's not going to get in anything else that I have with her hair and her paws and her slobber. We love her anyways. But as you can see, this one here has a full-blown coating topped with many, many, many layers. It was a experimental panel on wheels here for toppers. So it has many layers on top of a full-blown pro coating. Let's do this little section here. Pro coating topped with, geez, I couldn't even tell you. I couldn't even remember how many layers of what is on here. Gone. So there's not much to say on top of what you've already seen with your own eyes here. I will put a link down below so you can look into it further on your own when you need to. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I hope this helps. Catch you in the next video.